Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. All right, so today I'm going to be showing you something that is very fine and very fantastic. So I'll just show you the chord, then we'll perform this. It's actually how to play blues progression in your church, going from 1 to 4. So we have this chord for 1, this chord for 4. Don't be in a hurry, I'll actually show you the chord. So for 1 we have a D, F7 on our left. That's a F and E flat, F7. Yeah, on your right you have a C, E flat and F. So together we have this. So this is your 1 chord. So for your 4 we have this B flat and D on your left, then A flat, B flat, D and F on your right. So together we have a 1, then we have 4. So we have a I'm already adding some notes around the scale. Okay, let me show you very fast one. You can do this. So what am I doing? I'm doing 2 flat, sharp 2, 3 to 4. Then I'm doing that chord. Then I'm doing 6, flatting 7, 7 to 1. So we have a do, re, mi, fa, pa, 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 pa. Slowly, slow-mo. All right. So we'll quickly perform this. Jamloji. So we'll just perform this. Let's go. Joining us on the channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for many more tutorials. God bless you. Bye.